Do you often crack your knuckles? It's a seemingly harmless habit that many of us have developed. But did you know it could be hiding serious risks to your joint health? While it might provide a temporary sense of relief, consistent knuckle cracking can lead to long-term consequences. Hidden dangers of cracking your knuckles include ligament stretching or tearing. Cracking your knuckles puts a sudden strain on your ligaments. If done repeatedly, these ligaments can stretch excessively or even tear. Arthritis. The pressure exerted on your joints when you crack your knuckles can wear down the joint cartilage, increasing the risk of arthritis and joint degeneration. Reduced mobility. Joints damaged by frequent cracking may become loose, reducing their flexibility and mobility. Joint pain. The arthritis and joint degeneration caused by frequent knuckle cracking can lead to uncomfortable pain. Bone spurs. Continuous knuckle cracking can lead to the formation of bone spurs, causing pain and limiting mobility. So, why does cracking your knuckles feel good? When you crack your knuckles, small gas bubbles in the joint fluid burst, creating that pop sound. This temporary relief is due to the release of pressure within the joint. However, this is not a sign of healthy joints. How can you prevent it? Stop the habit of cracking your knuckles. This is the best way to protect your joint health. Understand the underlying cause. If you frequently crack your knuckles, try to understand the deeper cause, such as stress or lack of exercise, and find ways to address it. Regular exercise. Gentle exercises can help strengthen your muscles and protect your joints. Healthy diet. Ensure a sufficient intake of calcium and vitamin D for strong bones and joints. See a doctor. If you experience any joint pain symptoms, consult a doctor for examination and advice. In summary, regularly cracking your knuckles is a bad habit that can harm your joint health. Make a change today to protect your health.